Increasing traffic volumes and ever-reducing maintenance budgets are presenting new challenges for the upkeep of our roads. As a viable economic alternative to conventional methods, BOMAG offers the mix-in-place cold recycling process. The applications for this technique are many and varied. As a result of high traffic loads, roads often suffer such severe damage after a few years that a simple surface repair produces no lasting benefits. The object of this sustainable technology is to provide long-term improvement in a road's bearing capacity. How can this be achieved? Material samples taken from site are analyzed in the laboratory to establish the optimum design for the road. If foamed bitumen is to be considered in the cold recycling process, this must also be produced in the lab and included within the testing process. For this purpose, BOMAG has developed a portable laboratory system with components from the recycler used in this process. If the road is heavily trafficked, the process begins by planning the upper asphalt layer. Cement is added as a binder before mixing begins. This increases load-bearing capacity and improves frost resistance in the sub-base. The quantity of cement added is generally 1.5 to 3%. A new base is now created using the mixing power of the BOMAG recycler. The asphalt is pulverized and mixed with the cement to form the new sub-base. This is where BOMAG planners are so impressive with their adaptability and efficiency. Now bitumen is being added, in this case foamed hot bitumen, to provide the layer with greater flexibility. This prevents cracking later on. The central additive computer ensures that water and bitumen ratios are applied precisely. This is the key to a uniform material mix. The recorded additive volumes and daily outputs can then be documented and printed. The finished profile is now constructed with a grader. The pre-compaction means that the dosing effort required from the grader is minimal and a smooth finish is readily produced. Finally, the mix is pre-compacted with a heavy single drum roller. 2 passes are generally sufficient. BOMAG rollers with Varia control technology are well suited to the final compaction work. The targeted use of compaction energy produces the specified compaction result, even on difficult to compact materials, and continuous monitoring of the compaction status gives consistent quality. Constant monitoring is achieved by using the BOMAG operating panel. BOMAG PCM05 compaction control system provides a complete documentation of all compaction work. Pneumatic tire rollers are well suited to surface finishing. The new base layer is now finished. An asphalt surface is now being laid using a high-performance BOMAG paver. Depending on the traffic load, 1 or 2 layers are added. Specialist BOMAG asphalt rollers give a perfect finish. This BW154AD, fitted with Asphalt Manager, sets the benchmark for a perfect finish. Consistent quality is also guaranteed by continuous monitoring of the results by the integrated BOMAG operating panel. This perfect combination of BOMAG machines makes cold recycling a highly viable process on today's highways. BOMAG. Reducing construction costs, reducing environmental pollution, conserving mineral resources, saving time, saving money, and reducing traffic disruption. BOMAG cold recycling is suitable for use on structurally distressed highways and for the high-speed renovation of secondary roads. A team of engineers with worldwide experience are on hand to assist with your planning. For further information on cold recycling, please contact your local BOMAG office.